Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Jakob Simon and I work as automation specialist for the company Okuma in Europe. Behind me you can see our outstanding in-house automation solution ARMROID in combination with our best-selling machine, the LB3000 Mark II. You can say it's a place where precision meets innovation. The Okuma LB3000 Mark II one-saddle horizontal lathe is well known for its extraordinary precision in the market. Equipped with Okuma's high-power, high-torque Prex motor, this machine delivers high-quality machining from heavy to high-speed cutting. The innovation of this combination is a fully integrated ARMROID automation system. Here you can see machine tending solution on smallest footprint. The whole robot arm is arranged in the machining area, and also the whole setup of the automation job is transferred to the machine's OSP controller. For more information of this outstanding precision meets innovation solution, contact us on the Okuma trade show booth or via info@okuma.eu. Thank you very much.